What battery should power your home? LFP or NMC? At first, they may sound almost the same, but once you look closer, the differences matter a lot. The right choice can affect your safety, your budget, and how long your battery lasts. Let's start with LFP. LFP means lithium iron phosphate. This battery is known for being safe, stable, and durable. It can handle many charge and discharge cycles, so it often lasts a long time. That makes it a strong choice for home solar systems and daily use. Many homeowners like it because it gives peace of mind. Now let's look at NMC. NMC means nickel manganese cobalt. This battery is known for storing more energy in a smaller space. That means it can be lighter and more compact than LFP. For places where size matters, that is a big advantage. It is often chosen when you want more power and less room. At the chemistry level, LFP and NMC are built differently. LFP uses iron and phosphate in its cathode, and that structure is very stable under heat and stress. NMC uses nickel, manganese, and cobalt in its cathode, which helps it store more energy in a smaller space. So, the chemistry itself explains the trade-off. LFP gives you more stability, while NMC gives you more energy density. So why does this difference matter? Because not every home needs the same thing. If you want a battery for long-term home use, LFP is often the better fit. It usually has lower lifetime cost and better safety. It is also easier to live with because it needs less worry and less special care. NMC has its own strengths. It can be useful when space is limited or when you want a smaller, lighter battery. But it usually costs more and needs better thermal control. That means the system must manage heat more carefully. For a homeowner, that can make the setup more complex. Here is a simple way to remember it. LFP is like a strong family van. It is dependable, steady, and built for long trips. NMC is like a compact sports car. It is sleek, powerful, and efficient in a small space. Both are useful, but they serve different needs. Imagine you're storing power from your solar panels. If you want a battery that gives you years of reliable service, LFP is usually the smarter choice. If you need a smaller battery and space is tight, NMC may be worth considering. That is why knowing the difference is so important. In short, LFP wins on safety, long life, and value. NMC wins on compact size and higher energy density. The best battery is the one that matches your home, your budget, and your daily needs. If you know the difference between LFP and NMC, you do not just buy a battery. You make a smarter energy choice for your home.